Hello fellow traders, and welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info that look promising for swing trade on Monday, September 28th. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit the website www.bullstock.info. Alright, I want to start our video with a look at a couple of belt hold patterns. The belt hold pattern, and for those not familiar with the belt hold, it's one of the patterns we feature here on our videos from time to time. It forms in a downtrend. What happens is after the open, the stock gaps down, and then after the open and the gap down, the price rises throughout the day, and that's exactly what you'll notice here with GSS. And another thing to note about the belt hold pattern is the bigger the body of that belt hold pattern, or the belt hold candle, the more significant the reversal. And if you'll notice here, GSS had been in a downtrend for a week or so. Get the gap down, the belt hold pattern forms. And one thing I want to do is switch over. You'll notice that we have a close right at the 20-day moving average, which is your gray line, and we're just under the 8 exponential moving average. Flip over to another chart setup that we have. Your orange line there is your 34 EMA, and you notice we gap down right to that 34 EMA on the open on Friday before moving up and forming the belt hold signal. So GSS, belt hold pattern for us for a possible swing trade on Monday. And another belt hold we have is VCI. And you notice VCI, since that low in July, had a very nice move up till about the end of August. Then pretty much sideways trading, a little bump and a pull back to the area of resistance, which has become support. But you'll notice again the gap down, the belt hold pattern, up almost 4% on last Friday. VCI is a belt hold setup for Monday. All right, I want to take a look at a bullish engulfing chart pattern, and we'll look at SIMG, Silicon Image. And you'll notice as we scroll down, the first thing is that stochastics in the oversold area and are curling up. We like the chart patterns that have oversold stochastics. You'll notice the bullish engulfing pattern formed on Friday, which is a good bullish candlestick chart signal. You'll also notice that bullish engulfing formed on support of the rising 50-day moving average. That's the blue line. You'll also notice that the bullish engulfing closed above the red line. That's your 200-day moving average. Now, another thing to remember about bullish engulfing patterns is the bigger the body, of course, the more powerful the signal, and the more candles that candlestick engulfs, the more powerful that candle is, or the more significant that reversal. So we have a bullish engulfing forming on support with oversold stochastics closing above the 200-day moving average and engulfing 2 previous bearish days candles. So very nice looking bullish engulfing chart pattern for SIMG. Alright, I'm going to take a look at a bullish Harami now. Bullish Harami. DPTR, Delta Petroleum Corp, DPTR. Again, we look for the oversold stochastics, and as you can see there, they are definitely oversold and curling up, just poising to cross, if you will. The Harami pattern formed on Friday after a big gap down and a downtrend. You'll notice here as we go back a little bit, the big move that DPTR enjoyed since the early part of September. Then if you'll go back though, look, it's been kind of trading in a channel since mid-July, if you will. Going up, down, just kind of channeling. Then we get somewhat of a morning star signal, oversold stochastics, and we enjoy this big move up. Then a bearish pullback, and then the bottom fell out, and then we're back down. But look where we end. This $1.77 line there, as we go back over, was support. So now we get the bullish Harami forming on support with oversold stochastics. It's a very inexpensive stock, so you could load up. 20-day moving average is your blue line. Keep an eye on what it does there. But look at your red line up there over the $2.61 mark. Be a nice percentage gain for you up to that level. So DPTR, a nice bullish Harami chart pattern. All right, and finally, final chart pattern to take a look at is a piercing line signal. Piercing line signal, and this is for COOL, C-O-O-L, C-O-O-L. Again, we look for a combination of factors because the more things that are in our favor, the higher the probability of that trade working out for us, and that's what we want. We want the odds or the probability to be stacked in our favor so that we have a winning trade. You'll notice stochastics oversold and just have crossed over in that oversold area. We get a candlestick buy pattern, which is a piercing line signal, which is a high probability bullish candlestick chart signal that was about a 7% gainer for the day on this past Friday for COOL. You'll notice the piercing line formed after a serious downtrend, and that it formed on the rising 200-day moving average. That's what your red line is right there. So look, it opened up right almost on the 200, pierced back into the previous day's bearish candlestick chart pattern. We have a nice spread of our moving averages. Your 20-day moving average is your gray line, and then your blue line is your 50-day moving average, and a nice percentage gain possibility if you target those two moving averages for a move off the piercing line pattern for COOL. Okay, folks, that's going to do it for our video of bullish candlestick chart patterns, compliments of bullstock.info. For a complete list of bullish candlestick chart patterns each and every trading day, visit our website at bullstock.info and follow us on twitter.com/bullstock. You can get the videos, the chart picks, and even bonus chart patterns at twitter.com/bullstock. Thanks for watching.